standing at the down curb.
Okay,
Actually, Winston
Winston,
stops
forward.
at the truncated dome. We now cross. There's 2 flashing arrows on the right and left showing the down curb and
boy.
the or
Okay,
the
we're
up
going
curb.
that way.
Sorry, approaching the other side. Now we're going into slow motion. The reason why we go into slow mo here is because I had Winston go right, but it's his job to locate the not only the down curb and the truncated domes, but where the crosswalk is. I didn't tell him that. He just did that on his own.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Boy.
I mean, that's so cool.
Okay, Winston, forward.
It's now safe to cross, so we cruise across the intersection to the up
Good
curb on the other
boy.
side.
Okay, let's turn here.
Up here, we're going to take a left. There is lots of stuff on both the right and left, including poles and trees and buildings and parked cars on the left side and the street on the left side. There's several people coming towards us. They pass by on the right side. We're now approaching a down curb
Good
before
boy,
a
buddy.
pretty
Get
dang
your
busy
nose out there.
intersection.
We'll go and get the rest of your dinner,
I
okay?
give Winston some
Okay,
praise,
forward.
and when it's safe to cross, we cruise on by us. Pedestrian passes us in the
good.
crosswalk
Oh,
on the
Winston,
left-hand
good
side. We're now going to cruise up another city block here. There's again poles and whatnot on our left, and the street is on our left and a building on our right. There's a random crack in the sidewalk there.
Good boy.
It's just a
Okay.
little tiny lift
go, buddy boy.
that
Hop up.
Winston just stops at to make sure I know it's there and that I do not triznap. How awesome is
see,
that?
which
We're now
way you wanna
approaching the
go?
end
Okay,
of the
that way,
block.
okay.
We
Good
round
now.
the building to the right, and we're going to cruise down to the end of this block, and Winston will stop me at the crosswalk. The street is on our left. There's trees and buildings on our right. Actually, a parking brigade, I guess, is on our right side. We just passed that. We're now at the down curb before the
Good.
intersection.
Good.
Good stuff.
Jeremy's a fart face.